I'm Thomas Reydon. I am a professor of philosophy of biology at Leibniz University of Hanover, where I'm at the moment also chair of the department. My talk was about kind formation, and I emphasized kind formation because it's very important for me to provide a counterweight to the traditional theory of kinds in the sciences. And the traditional theory of kinds in the sciences is mainly about what it is that grounds kinds somewhere out there in the world. So people are looking for the stable grounds for kinds in the natural world. Whereas my point would be one of the most important things that we can learn about kinds is how we make them. So how we produce kinds in practices, what our interests are, what the interests of scientists are when they're making kinds. So my interest is much more in our contribution to kind making, to kind formation, and a lot less in what other people have been looking at, namely what founds kinds somewhere out there in the world.
I'm Karaca. I'm based in Exeter, University of Exeter. I'm doing PhD there. My talk was a commentary on Thomas Reydon's paper on functions. And although I agreed with most of his points on the criticism of homothetic property clusters, I still thought that there might be a pluralism in the explanation of functions, and the homothetic property cluster theory might be one of these possible explanations within this pluralism, and still we can use that to account the causality basis of the functions.